Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Quisha Elise, and in this video, I'm going to be doing these bomb bubble ponytails in 3 different styles. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. First thing is starting with freshly washed and conditioned hair, then using a paddle brush to brush the hair. Next, you want to use oil or moisturizer to soften up the hair. It just makes the hair easier to manage and brush through. Now I'm taking a rat tail comb to make my part. That'll give you the straightest part down the middle. Now we need to use some gel to slick down the hair. The gel I'm using is Eco Styler Olive Oil Styling Gel. It adds to that sleek look I'm going for and adds shine. Now brush the hair back into a bun and brush down the edges in the front. Once I get the hair where I want it, I use a comb to sleek down the hair more to make sure the hair stays flat. To hold the bun in place, I use a thick hair tie. Some of the smaller ones or rubber bands will break. Now I'm combing the hair back some more and adding some more gel to make sure it stays laid. Now we need to get these edges. Let's use some edge gel and an edge brush to lay the edges down. Today I'm using Lotta Body 24-hour edge gel. Brush through the ponytail and add some more oil to protect the ends of the hair. Then split the hair in two and twist it and tie it into a bun and secure it with another of those hair ties. The hair I'm using for this look is by Pretty Quick, and it's called the Afro Bubble Pony. It's lightweight and breathable, and I love how the hair feels really soft. It has 2 combs and a drawstring to keep it in place. Put the ponytail over your bun and secure it with the comb in the front and in the back, and pull the drawstring and wrap it around and tuck it under your hair with the comb in the back. And y'all, that is pretty much it. You can use some bobby pins to secure it more, but I'm taking down this look to do another one, so I don't want to have to pull all those pins back out. But you can secure it with more bobby pins if you want. That was quick and simple, and I just love how natural it looks, and it already comes with the gold pieces to create the bubbles. It's so versatile, and you can add some cute accessories like I did with these gold clips. And that's my first look. The ponytail is so long and cute, y'all. Now let's jump into this second look. This time you're going to brush the hair towards the middle of your head and then follow the same steps as before in tying the hair into a bun. And of course, laying down those edges. Then again, secure the ponytail onto the bun with the combs and the drawstrings. And we have our second look, a high side ponytail. Now for the third and final look, you're going to part the hair all the way down the middle with the rat tail comb to the back of your head. Then create two side buns and secure the Afro bubble ponytails onto the buns and secure them with the combs and the drawstrings. Slick it down with some more gel. And use the hair tie to tie it into a bun. And again, split the hair into two and twist it and tie it into the bun. Make sure the combs are tight and secure, and then pull the drawstring and wrap it around the pony and tuck it underneath with the combs. And then bring the look all together by securing the edges down. And that is look 3, y'all, with the Afro Puff Bubble Pony Synthetic Hair. And I think this is my favorite look out of all 3. It is just too cute. And that is all 3 looks, y'all. I want to thank y'all for watching my video. And if you want to keep up with me, follow me on Instagram at Aquisha Elise. And like and subscribe below to see more of these videos and these quick and easy hairstyles.